It's already 12 o'clock. Oh God! I'm hungry. I'm running in hiding for almost 3 days. I'm dead tired. I need some rest. But no! They're looking for me! And if they find me, I will be put to jail. But where I can hide? Leo's father is so influential, so powerful. He is the governor of our great province, and I'll kill his son. No! Don't kill me like that! I'm not the murderers! Hear me! I'm begging you! I'm not the murderers! Oceans, let me explain, please. Okay. It all happened in school. One day, I went to the library. I went to the library to find a book. I get so engrossed reading that I almost forgot the time. Oh my! It was past 6! That past 6. Like almost know that I was the only student left in the library. To my dismay, Lena was waiting for me outside. I wanted to hide, but it's too late. He was already in front of me. Hey Brenda, can I drive you home? I shook my head irritatedly. I'll hate him! My God! He often sends me scented love letters on a piece stationery, but I sent him back all unopened. He often sends me to chocolates and flowers. They are my favorites! I wanted so much to eat chocolates, but I hate the person who gave them, so I threw them to the trash can. Leo, wait. If you want to drive me home, thanks, but no thanks. I'm too young, I'm too old to go home on my own, okay? So please, stop following me like a dog. And besides, I'm too young for a dog. And I don't accept suitors. Understand? But Brenda, I love you. Can't you understand? I can give you everything you want. Say that you have it. And remember, Brenda, I can get everything I want. By hook or crook. So, you better be nice to me or else. Ha 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 ha! I get so scared. His love, like a monster. I know how powerful his family was, but I still insisted. Leo, how can you be such a jerk? In fact, I don't like you, and I don't love you. Now, I hate you. Now, can you leave me alone? But instead of leaving me, he pushed me to the wall so hard and started hitting me. I was shouting, but no one was there. Somebody, help me, please, help. But before he attempted to kiss me, I spotted a knife, and I grabbed it. I don't know how many times I pushed the knife to him.